Hi guys, Matt here, hope you're doing well. Just going to do a quick video review of Evolution, which is one of the latest make money methods to be released. I'm actually 3 days behind on getting this one out, I've just been so busy. But in 3 days, this has sold over 1,000 copies on Warrior Plus, and it really is a great spin on how to sell affiliate products if you're a newbie. Before I go into the main case study, I'm just going to go over my bonuses that I'm offering you guys today if you buy your package from me. Now, I've really sort of pushed the boat out for this because this is such a good product and it's selling so well. I just want to make it worth your while. So if you buy it from the link down below today, you're going to get the following bonuses. Bonus 1, Refueler. This is one of the best selling WSOs of 2017. Sold over 3,000 copies. Currently selling at $47. I'll give it to you for nothing because I have the resale rights, and it's a way of getting a tidal wave of free super targeted traffic with this newbie method. That alone is worth $47. That's not all. I'm going to give you Lindgren's Lazy Method by Mace. Again, now selling for $97, and it's ultra friendly, easy way to sell affiliate products, and this is a method that I use every single day. This works. So you'll get that $97. Bonus 3, and this is something I've never ever released before, is one of my main ways of getting easy traffic. I easily get 500 visitors a day, sometimes 1,000, sometimes more, for 5 minutes of work, which I do every day. 5 minutes to get 500 to 1,000 extra views on your website. I've only ever told this to my teaching group, and for those of you that know me, I teach affiliate marketing, and I also teach domain selling. I sell domains. This is the only place I've ever released this information, apart from today. So you grab this today. I'm not going to be doing it again. You can get my secret traffic method. This bonus alone is worth, easily $49. I couldn't price it because I've never sold it before. You're also going to get 8-minute profits. Again, another one of the best-selling WSOs of 2017. Easy way of making profits. This is an 8 minutes, $49. Again, sold over 1,000 copies. And you're going to get 3-Step Profit Machine by Jason Fulton and David Kirby, two of the best-known gurus out there. Really, really simple method, again, to do with affiliate marketing. Sells for $49. I'll give you that for free. So you get 5 bonuses. 3-step profits, 8-minute profits, my secret traffic method, which honestly, you're going to kick yourself when you see this. I use it every day. Lindgren's Lazy Method, I use every single day. And Refueler, another great WSO. You're going to get all those for free. If you get the link below here, click the link. I'll send you these 5 WSOs for free. $300 value for nothing. So back to Evolution. What is this? It's a great method on driving free traffic to your affiliate offer. It's a step-by-step case study, takes you by the hand. There's over-the-shoulder training on how affiliates, brand new affiliate, went from $0 to $313 in 72 hours. With no website, no list. What this does do is it teaches you need to get a list, and it helps you do that. My number one bit of advice to anyone, get a list. It says it's a brand new affiliate marketing strategy. I've heard of it before, but the way they do it is a new spin, newbie friendly. You can get commissions in any niche at all. No list, no website, no expensive software. Takes about 30 minutes to set up. Get it today, it's $7.95. It's going up all the time. Get it for $7.95 and all my bonuses. Some case studies there, 145, 72.95, and it goes into case studies in the video. It fully explains everything, how to do this. It's for brand new newbies who've got no idea, no autoresponder, no emails, no list, no nothing. This will get you started. It really, really is a good product to start with. Step-by-step training. You don't need to create your own content. You don't need a WordPress blog. You don't need to ring anyone, email anyone. If you've never made a sale before, this will definitely leapfrog you into getting those sales. There's a number of modules. I think there's 5. Let me just check. Yeah, it's 6 modules actually. Module 1 is networks. What are the best networks to get into to get some affiliate products? This shows ClickBank as an example, which is the oldest and biggest network out there. how to pick the best offer. This is really important that you get this right. Buyer persona, how to get the type of customer that you want, how to prospect your customers using free or paid traffic, and how to get sales. On top of my 5 bonuses, you'll also get the 5-day $100 challenge. This will get you to $100 in 5 days. Your checklist to make sure you've got everything in place, and you get access to the private members group on Facebook. That is really good. This will be going up to $97. It's a $97 WSO. Get it today, $7.95. Click the link below and get all my bonuses as well. 30-day warranty as usual. I don't recommend anything unless it's got a 30-day refund guarantee, and this has. It's a no-brainer. Try it. If you can't get on with it, email them and they'll give you money back. This works. Sold 1,000 copies in 3 days. It's flying off the shelves. Really, really good for the newbies. Really good if you're new into affiliate marketing, and it will really help you on your road to that laptop lifestyle. $7.95, but it's on a dime sale, so it's going up all the time. And don't forget, you're going to get my bonuses as well. Refueler, $47. Lingren's Lady Method, $97 by Brendan Mace. My secret traffic method, I said it's $49. I could put $149. 8-minute profits, $49. And 3-step profit machines by Jason Fulton, $49. So that's $300 worth of free products. I hope you like it, guys. Any questions, drop me an email below, and I'll see you on the inside. Take care.